Hooked up.
Is it a big one?
I'm the jig motherfucking master. Oh, let me reel mine in. Don't let it in your way.
Or is it a blue runner?
This is not as big as the other one.
Probably a blue runner.
Yeah, because I'm bringing it in pretty easy. Here, come get this, Marcel. There you go. Bring that baby in.
Yeah, bring that.
It's right here. It's that. Just a small one.
What is it?
Yeah.
Right there.
Blue runner? Huh?
Almaco.
Hey, what's the size of the almacos?
Look how I grabbed them.
Woo! What's the size of the almacos?
I don't know. I gotta look it up.
Oh, fish on!
Already?
Oh!
You lost it.
That was a big one. Fuck, that was a big one.
What were you using?
Ah,
Dude, that thing was screaming.
dude, that was screaming.
Whole thing?
Dang.
You wanna?
What were you using?
I think the drag was too fucking tight. Too tight, too fast.
Got too greedy.
Yeah.
Plus, there's a lot of seaweed.
No minimum size. Long dorsal fin.
There's also Almaco jack and a bar jack. The bar jacks look similar.
The ocean, calm down.
Oh, okay. Wait a second.
No, I
We need
think,
to be- we need to
I
be-
think this is Almaco.
we need to be sponsored by.
What's the other one?
There's a bar jack, but I don't know. I don't think that one's posted. Fuck.
Oh, the big one.
That
Oh
was,
no, that's different. Bar jack is different.
bar jack's different. So is that one keepable?
There's no minimum size.
Of the
You can
Almacos?
keep up to 20.
Fuck it.
Up to 20, no minimum. It says the difference is this is long. Oops.
Daddy, catch another one.
Damn it, man. That shit
King of
pisses me
fish.
off. I hate losing fish. I think I got too greedy though.
I catch okay, now and now we can hear the king of the
I
fish.
think I tied too fast.
And I don't think so.
You want some water? There it is.
Baby! Yeah.
There we go.
Shit!
We can't be on YouTube if we're cursing this much.
With what?
We can't be on YouTube if we're cursing this much.
Before what?
If we're cursing this much.
Oh.
Alright, cursing to the minimum. Come on. Yeah, that's it. I said, first come to that.
He's not coming up, Daddy. He's saying, no thanks, I'm going by, Daddy.
Nope, you gotta come. We gotta bring fish to mama.
This one we can't stick. So it is to a boat, right?
Yeah.
Fuck.
So there's plenty of, that's plenty.
Like if one's bigger, can we throw the other one back? I'm on! Fish on! Come here, Marisol. This is all you.
Come back. Come on.
Oh, we got a triple hookup!
What the?
We got a triple hookup. What the
How are we
hell?
gonna get this fish with the boat?
God! Hold on.
There we go. Dude, I'm on the other side of the boat. So am I.
Team
Barb,
effort,
help
fishing
me.
team. Everybody
Oh, look, there's a Kobe right there.
What? Wait.
Oh,
You guys have each other?
No, they have you.
Huh?
They have me?
I mean, Sebastian does.
Oh, Sebastian. Oh,
We're like
shit.
fighting with each other.
Don't fight, because I have the fish.
Something grabbed it though.
Who holds it?
That's another Almaco?
Yeah.
But that one's kind of bigger.
Are you on with a fish? Oh, it's right here, look. Mine's right here.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Hold on.
Bro, look at the hook, it's barely there. This one. Oh! Get him! Here, hold this. Hold it. Get him. Oh, shit!
He almost got out.
He must have swam.
He swam across.
I think this one's still. Is this?
Well, it could be that you're still on.
Yeah, that's yours.
Yeah, the line's
All right.
How
Dude, I just hugged the fuck out of the fish in the water.
The fish is also weird then.
Is it tangled?
Yeah, it went into the assist hook, or it went into the
The ring?
not the ring,
Whoa!
Dude, he was barely fucking hooked. Oh yeah. Barely hooked.
He's so slimy.
Hey,
Marisol, you got a picture again? Or whoever? On the phone?
And send it to mommy.
Yeah.
Did I see?
dude, we gotta chase a different hook. You gotta show me how to. You gotta show me how to tie that polymer, David.
Okay.
Oh god, how do you do the camera?
Just lift it up like a.
What's that look? I can see his face. Show the camera. Woo! Alright, we can't keep this, right? Nope.
Hey Sebastian, can you let? I'm gonna slowly pull the line. Can
Hold
you-
on, let me clean my hands, cause
Dude, it felt like. No, he's.
dude, you're on.
Am I still on?
There's a fish, I think, right there. in the
Dude,
line.
I'm telling you, he was.
We were on.
We were on. We were on. Because there's no. I was like, there's no way Sebastian's fish would have.
You guys would have felt like that.
Yeah. Hey, can you show me that polymer knot real quick?
Daddy, look how I'm wearing my hat. Mommy, look how I'm wearing my hat.
Let's take a pause.